This one's so cute. Napakamahal din. Ang toxic trait ko ay mauukay ko talaga. I see someone I know. Parang medyas lang mabibili ko. Goal ko makabili na kahit isa. Let's try this. Hindi cute. Parang ito na lang mabibili ko. It is so cute. Kasi ayaw mo umalis lang wala akong W, tinayo ko pa. This is only 273 pesos. And this one is also the same price. Parang hindi ko to bet. But the headband. Wait, let's try. We get it. Let's get it. This is also cute. Saka ito ang cute. Thought ko mabibili ko to sa sa Shopee. Let's pay. So free. Sticker lang talaga ang habol. Finally, bought something from Brandy. So cute. Cute.